Nigeria's foreign exchange rate policy has been long been as clear as the crude oil that underpins Africa's largest economy. Businesses and investors have had trouble because there are many different exchange rates, contradictory statements from officials, and difference of opinion between the central bank and the finance ministry over how Naira should be managed. President Bola Tinubu, who took office in May 2023, promised to change how the money works to attract more investment, but process has been bumpy. The value of Naira has dropped a lot and it continues to trade at a discount on the black market. Because dollars are in short supply, this has led to a secret market called the black market, where people trade Naira for dollars at lower prices than what the government says they are worth. Really, let's delve into this. Calm down, explain the nitty-gritty. So what's the role of the black market in Naira depreciation? Relax, we'll discuss this. But first, let's dive into current update about the Naira devaluation. Nigeria's Naira hit a new low, dropping to 1,490 Naira for $1, marking a hike of 40% decrease since the year began. This fall mirrors the currency's decline in the unofficial market, where it trades freely on the official market. The Naira reached a record low against the dollar, hitting 1,531 Naira during recent trading. This is a compared price to the 1,460 Naira quoted in the parallel market. FMDQ data showed that these figures surpassed the 1,475 Naira per dollar rate in the black market. The central bank has a big pile of people wanting to exchange their money for dollars, but they can't keep up. This means that if individuals or businesses need dollar, they often have to resort to the black market. Sadly, Nigeria has not been getting as many dollars as before because investment have gone down and there's been less money from selling oil, which usually makes up most of the Nigeria's income from exports. Because of the short supply of dollars, businesses find it hard to send their earnings back to their home countries, making investors hesitant to make more long-term businesses in Nigeria. Last month, foreign airlines flying into Nigeria even threatened to stop their flights because they could not get their money out of the country. One airline, Emirates, stopped its flights to and from Nigeria in 2022 and hasn't come back yet. Let's define the black market. Imagine black market as a secret trading place where people buy and sell things that are against the rule of the country. In Nigeria, it is a spot where folks can trade foreign currencies, especially if they don't want to follow the official rules about how much money they can have or exchange. For instance, instead of selling your dollar to the bank for $450 per dollar, you might choose to sell it on the black market for $725 per dollar. What makes the black market different from regular trading is that it's not taxed, regulated, or answerable to the government. They make the law by themselves, for themselves, and to benefit themselves. In the black market, prices and values of things are not the same as the regular shops and businesses. They can change fast depending on how much people want something, on how much it is available. Sometimes it can be ordered. Means based on supply and demand. Think of the black market as a double-edged sword. On one side, it stirs up hunger and creates demand for foreign money, which makes Nigerian currency, the Naira, lose its value. That's because folks swap more Naira for dollars than they are supposed to according to the rule. But on the flip side, the black market also acts as a lifeline for those who cannot get foreign money the legal way. This gives a boost to the economy because businesses can use the black market to swiftly bring in stuff from other countries to Nigeria. They can also do this through official or unofficial channels. Sometimes people even turn to black market to send money back home without dealing with all of the fees and rules from the official channels. It's like a hidden helping hand for some folks and for some other folks. Or the economy of Nigeria to say, is that hand that beats. Over the past 10 years, Nigeria has consistently received remittance totally a minimum of 17 billion annually, peaking at 25.4 billion in 2019. These funds usually originate from individuals working abroad who send money to support their families here in Nigeria. So how does the black market affect the value of Naira? As previously discussed, the black market demand for foreign currency contributes to the devaluation of the Naira. But does this explain why the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, is urging the replacement of the 200 Naira note, the 500 Naira, and the 1000 Naira note? Or could it be related to the withdrawal limits? These measures are aimed at managing the flow of money within the system. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, acts as the country financial authority, tasked with stabilizing the Naira's value by setting official exchange rates and regulating availability of foreign currency. The CBN strives to keep the Naira stable. However, the black market undermines this effort, operating beyond all bounds of legality, regulation. It eludes the CBN's control over foreign currency supply and demand. Consistently, the CBN finds it challenging to effectively influence Naira's value in the face of such unregulated market activity. Recently, the central bank has cautioned banks about inaccurately reporting transactions in financial markets. This misinformation can lead to effort to manipulate prices and distort the market, and the central bank has stated that it will take action against such behavior. Why was the system so problematic? The confusing mix of different exchange rates causes a lot of uncertainty, making it hard for governments and businesses to plan ahead. It has also led to a lot of people trying to make quick money by gambling on currency values. Tinubu criticized this, saying it only made a few people very rich while hurting everyone else. The International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, the investors all called for a big change in the system. In response, government officials widened the range of allowed currency value and started offering attractive deals on short-term money exchange. Plus, the Financial Crimes Watchdog has allowed licensed traders to post their Naira to dollar exchange rate online. What's the outlook for Naira? Governor Olayemi Cardoso, who took over in September 2023, wants to run the bank differently than the previous boss, Godwin Emefiele. Cardoso's aim is to focus on keeping prices stable and making sure the Naira stays strong. Meanwhile, Emefiele, who got suspended by Tinubu and faces charges like fraud, says he didn't do anything wrong. In conclusion, the black market plays a significant role in Nigeria's economy and strongly affect the value of Naira. Those involved in currency trading are largely responsible for the Naira's decline. And the solution lies in the government taking decisive actions to eliminate the so-called Burundi change. However, the government and the system seems hesitant to confront the powerful individuals behind these illicit and corrupt activities. Anywho, there are no individuals bigger than the government. The black market demands for foreign currencies hamper and the central banks of Nigeria's effort to keep Naira stable. While this situation can be frustrating, it is crucial to grasp the underlying causes and wider context of the black market's influence on Naira. Through this understanding, we can better comprehend the hurdles confronting Nigeria's economy and strategize being employed to tackle them. If you find this video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe. Stay cool until next time. Bye.